Make a great choice today with the 2019 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.